So this past week, the whole world was embroiled in the visit of Cyril Ramaphosa to Donald Trump, whereby Trump vehemently believes there is a white genocide happening in South Africa.
Now this is very bad. These are burial sites right here. Burial sites. Over 1,000 of white farmers, and those cars are lined up to pay love on a Sunday morning. Each one of those white things you see is a cross, and there's approximately 1,000 of them. They're all white farmers, the family of white farmers. And those cars aren't driving, they're stopped there to pay respects to their family member who's killed. And it's a terrible sight. I've never seen anything like it.
Where white farmers are being slaughtered and murdered by the thousands. So obviously, all South Africans will know this term. And this term is called the DOP system. Now, for those who don't know what the DOP system is, the DOP system is a method whereby farmers or farm owners pay their farm workers by giving their wages in the form of alcohol. It might be a weekly wages or a daily, but instead of giving the farm workers money, the farm owners pay their farm workers by giving them alcohol. So many people, they miss this point. If you go to a farm, right, on a Saturday, especially late Saturday afternoon, what are you going to find there? Well, you're going to find young men being drunk. You're going to find young men being loud. You're going to find young men fighting because of the alcohol consumption they had for the most of the Saturday, for the most of the day. So you're going to find young men, they are drunk due to alcohol abuse, and this occurs mostly on farms where people have no other entertainment, they've got nothing else to do, and most of the time they end up by abusing alcohol, and this leads to violence, it leads to homicides, and therefore we have that number of 40 homicides or murders occurring in South Africa on farms every year. Now, AgriForum, Solidarity, all these other players, Ernst, Roots, they are all using this data to prove some sort of narrative. And the narrative that they spun to America or to the far-right groups in America was the fact that white farmers or white people are being hunted and killed in South Africa. Like I said, what's happening on farms is that people are mostly addicted to alcohol, and most of the time farmers don't pay people in wages. Most of the time people are paid in alcohol. So this is something we must think about. This thing isn't so clear cut, and whenever you hear about farm killings and farm murders and these stats, ask the question, what percentage of those stats are white people, what percentage is black, and what percentage is colored people? Because not all people killed on farms are white people.